But here's the whole point of this video, because this video isn't to show you these specific examples just because. It's to show you what they all have in common, which is the thing that will actually rewire your brain. And it's the conclusions that you get from the examples. It is the logic that you extrapolate from one example. From Tengo Frio, the concept, the idea, the purpose wasn't to memorize the whole list of examples. It's to come to the conclusions that certain sensations can be possessions, meaning you can say that you possess that sensation. So tener, and that's why you would use tener, because tener is to have as to possess something. For example, of me gusta el café, it can tell you that subjects can be things or people, meaning the person that does the verb in English, in Spanish, can be the person that receives the verb. Okay? And then from se me cayó, we got that things can do themselves to people, and that's how you can express certain things in Spanish. And in English, that would be that person doing, or if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish cheat sheets, which are all my cheat sheets to help you start learning Spanish with these frameworks. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.